Hey there. Is your LG monitor too dark, making it hard to see your content clearly? If you're facing this issue, I've got some effective steps for you on how to fix LG monitor being dark. Whether you're using your monitor for work, gaming, or watching movies, ensuring optimal brightness is crucial for the best experience. In this guide, we'll explore various ways to adjust and enhance your LG monitor's brightness so you can enjoy your screen. Step 1. Check your monitor settings. First and foremost, let's delve into the monitor's built-in settings. Access the menu. Most LG monitors come with a menu button. Press the menu or settings button on your monitor to access the on-screen display menu. Adjust brightness and contrast. Navigate using the arrow keys or joystick to find the brightness and contrast settings. Adjust these settings to find a level that suits your preference. A balanced ratio often helps in enhancing visibility. Enable dynamic contrast. If your monitor has an option for dynamic contrast, consider enabling it. This feature automatically adjusts the contrast for better visibility based on what's displayed on the screen. Step 2. Update your graphics drivers. Having out-of-date graphics drivers can lead to suboptimal display performance. Identify your graphics card. Go to your computer's device manager. Under display adapters, you'll find the model of your graphics. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website. Whether you have NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, navigate to their official website. Download and install the latest drivers for your specific graphics card model. Follow installation instructions. Install the drivers following the on-screen prompts and restart your computer if necessary. This can often resolve brightness or color issues. Step 3. Calibrate your monitor. For a more tailored approach, consider calibrating your monitor for peak performance. Use built-in calibration tools. Some operating systems like Windows and Mac OS come with built-in calibration tools under display settings. Follow the step-by-step guide to adjust your monitor's colors, brightness, and contrast comprehensively. Third-party software. Programs like Calabrese or DisplayCal can provide more in-depth calibration options. These tools often offer guided calibration, ensuring your settings meet industry standards. Step 4. Examine ambient light conditions. The environment where your monitor is situated can also affect the perceived brightness. Optimize room lighting. Ensure your room has adequate lighting. Reduce excessive glare by positioning your monitor away from direct sunlight or using curtains to diffuse natural light. Use bias lighting. Adding bias lighting behind your monitor can create a better viewing environment and reduce eye strain, making the display appear brighter. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to fix LG monitor being dark. From simple adjustments in settings to ensuring your drivers are up to date, these tips can help maximize your monitor's brightness and enhance your viewing experience. Remember to periodically check your settings and environment to keep everything in top shape. If you've tried all these steps and still face issues, it might be time to consult LG support or consider a professional technician. Enjoy your clearer and brighter screen.